Oh no! Malamig! Nalamigan ang kanyang belly-belly. Uy! Uy! Wait lang daw, wait lang daw. The belly-belly is... Kakatuwa. Yeah! Kabilang dalawa dito pero funny. Ay, ew. The floating one, you can put it in your butt, to your butt. Sit that.
No, that is for the back. See it? Like that.
My goodness. Not enough water you put inside.
Honey, it's already see overflowing.
No, the pillow.
Aha. Ja, ja.
Yan, okay na yan kahit maliit, at least lubog ang kanyang katawan. Tapos doon siya sa sunbathing. Isang beses kasi naligo kami doon sa lake. Pag ahon niya, oh grabe, pantal-pantal buong katawan niya. Yung mga, minsan kasi sa mga lake may mga bakterya na hindi, naipon doon gumagalaw. So yan, natakot na rin yung maligo sa lake.
Weekend, we will empty this.
Yeah, just pour it to the plant
No.
before you let it flowing to the ground. So yan, after that, bibilad siya. Huh?
Replace the water.
Yeah. It depends the weather.
Ja, ja. Nej, men lördag det ska ju regna. So we need to follow.
Yan, galing din ako dyan kanina. Namitas ako ng ang daming blueberry. Malilit siya pero napakatamis. So mamaya pupunta naman siguro ako. So nice. Why don't you use your sunglasses so that you
Ja.
not irritate your eyes? So, ganyan lang ang life naming dalawa. Enjoy, darling.
Ja.
Sunbathing. Every summer talaga ganyan ginagawa niya. Nagsa-sunbathing. So, yan guys. Yan, punta ko dyan mamaya. Sayang yung mga